How to see TikTok Shop Cart. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you where to find the TikTok Shop Cart if ever you're confused with the TikTok's UI. So first things first, open your shop just like this. And in the center, of course, this is where you will be able to see the different products being sold, all of those stuff. And as you can notice over here on the top, you have the search bar, the cart, and this hamburger button over here. So the cart is in between the search bar and the hamburger button or icon, which has the red dot on the top right. So if you click on the cart, you will be able to see the different items that is currently in your shopping cart. Right now, it's empty. So let's show you what it would look like if we add one. For example, this one. Let's open this one. Open the product itself. We go and click on add to cart. And select the product that you want to buy. And there we go. And now if you view your cart, it should now have the product that you have just bought, just like that. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.